In this week's court report, the Pahrump man arrested for allegedly shooting a man on the 4th of July after also allegedly physically assaulting the mother of his child had his case bound over to district court. During Shondaro Marcel Thomas's preliminary hearing, a total of 10 witnesses took the stand. 8 state witnesses were sworn in and testified, including 2 deputies and 2 detectives. Additionally, 2 defense witnesses were also sworn in and testified. After closing arguments, the court found that the state had met its burden of proof on all counts. Thomas's public defender motioned for an OR release or bail reduction. The prosecution opposed, though. Subsequently, the court denied the defense's motion and ordered Thomas's bail remain at $100,000 cash or bond. Then the court ordered the defendant bound over to appear in district court on October 20th. Thomas was later remanded back to the custody of the Nye County Detention Center. Thomas's bail also remains at $3,000 cash or bond connected to his separate domestic battery companion case charge related to this incident. During his status hearing for that case, the court briefed the record indicating Thomas's related felony matter, in which he's currently facing a total of 6 charges, including attempted murder and 3 counts of assault with a deadly weapon, has been bound over, so Thomas's attorney requested this companion case matter be set for status in justice court. The court complied and set a status hearing for February 28, 2018. The suspect arrested following reports of a violent shooting in the 8400 block of Old Spanish Trail has invoked his right to a speedy hearing, so he'll be in court again this Thursday. Daniel Webb had his formal arraignment last Tuesday, during which the defendant waived formal reading of the complaint, stating he understood the nature of the charges against him, which include attempted murder, 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon, discharge firearm or other weapon where a person might be endangered, battery strangulation, battery causing substantial bodily harm, and 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance. The court set a pretrial hearing for September 7th and a preliminary hearing for September 14th. Then the defendant was remanded back to the custody of the Nye County Detention Center. The following day, a sealed envelope was received via hand delivery, which contained medical records from Desert View Hospital, which is where all 3 subjects in the incident, including the suspect, were transported. Those records were put into an evidence room, and as of today, an amended criminal complaint from the Nye County District Attorney's Office has been received and filed. The body of count 1 has been amended to add the defendant allegedly choked 1 victim. Webb also has a companion case related to this incident, in which he's facing 3 additional charges, including domestic battery, possession of a firearm when under the influence of alcohol, controlled substance, or other intoxicating substance, and injury to other party less than $250. The defendant has a pretrial hearing for that case this Thursday and a bench trial for that case October 5th. Webb remains in custody, $73,640 cash or bond. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.